The car enters the workshop for assessment.
Years of neglect are visible on every panel.
The steel has lost its strength.
The cabin shows advanced deterioration.
There is no safe shortcut from here.
Every flaw is recorded before work begins.
Access is needed from below.
Old oil is drained to prepare teardown. Electrical systems are made safe.
Nothing is removed without a plan.
Corroded components come off first. The drivetrain is carefully disconnected.
Major assemblies are removed intact.
Everything is tracked for reassembly.
Engine is nearly free.
The heart is extracted as one unit.
The engine is stabilized for teardown.
Old suspension parts are released.
Only the damaged shell remains.
Structural correction can now begin.
The impact damage is quantified.
Force is used to reclaim the original shape. Progress is measured in millimeters. Rotten metal is cut away. Replacement metal is shaped to fit.
New metal becomes part of the body.
Repair is blended into the panel. Fresh steel is sealed against corrosion. Damaged panels are taken off the car. The panel begins to regain its form. Imperfections are carefully filled.
The original lines are reestablished.
Flatness is verified by eye and hand. Fitment is corrected before paint. Body is readied for coating. Bare steel is sealed for protection.
Coating sets before further work.
Moisture paths are closed. The surface is prepared for final shaping. The body is refined before paint. All contaminants are removed.
The environment is controlled for paint. Only clean air and clean panels remain.
The original silver returns.
The finish hardens under controlled heat.
Minor texture is removed. Silver gains its final depth. The shell returns for rebuilding. Reassembly begins from the ground up. Movement is rebuilt with precision. Stability returns to the chassis. Flow and sound are restored. Heart comes back home. The foundation is locked in place. Powertrain components reunite. The drivetrain is fully supported. Rotation can now reach the wheels.
The engine is fed again.
Signals are made reliable once more.
Electric pathways return to the car.
Spark delivery is re-established. Temperature control is restored. Lubrication returns to the engine. Controls and instruments return. Information flows again.
The cabin gains warmth and texture.
The interior comes back to life.
Controls are unified at the center.
The cabin is sealed and finished. Visibility is restored.
Pedal feel is made solid.
The engine is ready to run.
All systems are verified before startup. Pressure builds through the system.
The engine is asked to wake.
After decades, it breathes again.
The revival is confirmed.
The chassis geometry is prepared for adjustment.
Steering accuracy is restored. To the drive.
Everything is secured for delivery.
The surface is cleaned for presentation.
The cabin is refreshed.
Even the smallest parts are addressed.
The restoration is complete.
Visibility systems function as intended.
Every command responds correctly.
Body alignment meets specification.
Nothing is hidden anymore.
The machine stands whole again.
The work is finished.
Every step is recorded. The engine speaks calmly now.
The revival becomes real.
Power builds evenly through the revs. Stopping power is controlled and predictable.
The chassis responds with clarity.
No issues appear after